What's that on the bottom left? Nigga got a Jeffrey Dahmer meal. What is that? What the fuck is that? Nigga got stewed nigga at the bottom of his fridge. What's wrong with you? Pack that nasty ass shit up. That shit be talking to you when you open the fridge. Kill me. Get this shit the fuck. I can't kill me. Get this shit the fuck out of here. Don't eat me. I'm breathing. I'm alive. Help me.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Nigga got stewed labia in the fridge. Ew, what is that?
I don't know.
Boy,
Fuck.
you eating parasites and noodles.